I came to Walmart because DealMama told me there were crazy discounts today. This potty trainer was originally $31. I scanned it, and guess what? Only $5. Yes, 5. Then I saw this 5-in-1 booster seat. I had a feeling, so I scanned it too. It was $29.87 originally, and it came up for only $3.50. My cart filled up fast with deals like that. Always scan, mamas. The hidden deals are real. Join DealMama today.
What if I told you that every single day people walk into stores like Walmart, Target, and even Amazon and buy products for 70%, 80%, sometimes even 90% less than everyone else? It sounds unbelievable, but it's happening every single day. The problem isn't that these deals are rare. The problem is that most people never know they exist. Stores quietly mark down thousands of products without making a big announcement. By the time the average shopper finds out, the shelves are empty, the best items are gone, and someone else has already taken advantage of the opportunity. That's where DealMama changes everything. Instead of wasting hours searching websites, driving from store to store, or hoping you'll get lucky, DealMama sends instant alerts whenever major clearance deals are discovered. You see the biggest discounts as they're found, giving you the chance to act before everyone else. Whether you simply want to save money on products you already buy, or you're looking for a smart way to make extra income by reselling clearance items for a profit, DealMama gives you the information you need at exactly the right time. Imagine saving hundreds of dollars every month, or finding one clearance item that pays for your entire membership in a single purchase. That's why thousands of people rely on DealMama every day. And the best part, getting started is incredibly affordable. Your first month is only $15, making it one of the lowest risk ways to start finding hidden deals. Remember, every clearance item you miss is money left on the table, and someone else is probably buying it right now. So the question isn't whether these discounts exist. The question is, are you going to find them before everyone else does? Click the link below, join DealMama today, and start saving more, finding better deals, and never paying full price again.